is that we asked in the previous classes. That is the credit management. The two things are that one about the that parents customer and the child customer. One more thing was that credit rules, or the three rules like overall credit limit, and we are horizontal and horizon, and one more was that one more was what was that? So three were the three rules were there. So we'll say conversion for all the three rules also. Okay. So first we'll start with that parent customer and child customer. And one more thing that yesterday I was showing the ATP, that with BOP. So you had the question so that I'll show it again. BOP I'll show it again. And also we see the ABC for that A and BOP, ATP. Okay. Share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So still topic of that customer. So about the customer, parent customer and child customer. Parent customer can have child customers like child one. Only regarding the credit manager. So child one, like the child two, and child like that we can have that. And for the main customer, the parent customer, maybe the credit limit can be some. We'll put a minimum amounts. We'll take 50,000. So for the main parent customer, and this all three will be shared by 50,000. All the three will share that 50,000 of parent. And also they can have individual credit limit also. They can their own individual credit limit also. Okay, so it's a concept. So the parent can have the overall credit limit that can be shared by, that can be 50,000 can be shared by the child customers. Also, they can have individual credit limit also. Okay. So I actually forgot who asked that. You told about that Lulu market. Now, who asked that like that actually? You told example Lulu. We tried to doing that. I forgot who asked that one. Okay, so you'll see this concept. So for this, make we'll get three customers, one for the parent customer, two for child customers. So I forgot who asked that question actually, that parent customer and child customer concept.
I think Ashish.
Ashish.
Yeah, which one?
That parent customer, child customer. You told the example of Lulu market.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vinod.
No, I think it was Vinod.
Vinod
was that okay? The parent and that child customer, right?
Child customer. Yeah, that's right. So I showed you.
Vinod has asked.
Yeah, this one, this concept. So Vinod asked that. Okay. So we'll make three customers, one for parent and another two for child customers. So we'll go for BP, we'll make a new customer. So yesterday there was a problem creating the BP master, that because of the account group number ranges. First we'll make a person. We'll make first a person as a parent customer. So person. So we'll take here my own group, that is a standard one, triple one has issue. This one. And the title. Should make it as a chroma. So I'll make chroma. And we have some last name like one. I'll give one. I will give Bangalore. Bangalore. So then we can say this one. So this customer name is Chroma and Bangalore. So say this one. So then we go for dispute change. Change the role to FLC. Done. Firstly for the SD, FSD customer. So fax has entry. So fax. Then so language. Go for sales and distribution. So sales organization. So then we enter. So don't check the pricing percent also. Then shipping. So there is a priority and the learning plant. Shipping conditions. Enter in billing. So go for the import terms. And this one. And down 0. Source allocation here. Let's say this one. Then go for dispute change. Salary in exchange model. So go for finance customer. Then company code. First save the 1710. Say this one. Then go for switch company code. Change to TRG. Then so account. We'll say this one. So we made. So then change this to UKM management. Here go for relationship will see later. First we'll make a sales, then we'll put relationship. Go for credit profile and take here rules and take as a new customer and change value to date, some future date. This class will take as a medium and check rule will take as a, we'll take this one overall and credit proof. So I'm taking test, some rating procedure and the rating. Enter. Okay, now go for, so everything is already taken. Now go for the credit segment data. Check the segment, this is the segment. And we'll define some value. So this is a parent customer. I'll put a credit limit of 50,000. 50,000. See enter. So credit limit is 50,000. I will save this one. So this is the main customer, parent customer. I'll go for the other two customers. Okay, two customers, two more child customers. We go for organization. The account will be same. Company. So I'll make a CR1 and give some. Go for the city. This may be Pune. Down language. Then go for fax. So this is for the general role. Save this one. Dispute change. Change. Go for. What happened? So I took another customer. So sorry. Sorry. So that's already there. Can go for that one. First we start with the CR. So in BP. That was CR1. Will be, I'll go for name. That was CR1. This is already there. Let's go to change mode. Change to FLC. Maintain all the three. So FLC. The CR1. So go for sales and distribution. Sales organization and this one and this one. This one. This sales group. Yeah. Check that pricing was there also. That is one. And shipping. Billing. Billing is input terms. The place is Pune. This one. Then down you get under the tax. Say this one. Next is the finance role. So company code. Save this 170. And switch company code. Change to TRG. Yes, no. This one. Then go for UKM role. Change to UKM. So again, segment data. Sorry, let's go for the profile. So credit profile. So I'll take this one. So again, the for new customers and I'll treat it. In the risk class. Again, we'll take this one. Check rule. Again, this one take. And this group will take test and this one. Rating procedure. Rating. Then segment data. So here, segment with this segment. And we put a 20,000. We'll put 20,000 as a limit for this child customer. So I treat it. This one. Okay, so one is enough. So maybe we can get one more customer. One more thing. That is CR2. That will be CR2. So I can put some road. Select Delhi. 30. The language. English language and facts. This one. So general. This to change. Change to FLC. Customer. And sales and distribution. And sales foundation. And this one. Division. Here. So go for so sales district. Downtown. Customer facing procedure. So then shipping. Priority. And delivering plant. Shipping conditions. And the billing. Incurred terms. Location is Delhi. And this one. We'll say this one. Then UK. So go for UK. UKM. Sorry, you got to go for finance also. Finance. Company code. So we'll have the account. This one. This only for company code is coming like this. Otherwise, no need to put for 1710. My problem, some problem with my company code. That's why I can do both the things for 1710 also. Okay, this one. Then UKM. Credit profile. So I can take this one new customer and validate. Then the this class. This one. Overall. Test. So this one. We have finished this one. So we made all the we made three customers, one for parent, two for child customer. We'll say this one. So now for the parent customer, you can go for this one. Click on Open BP for parent customer. So my customer number was so the customer was CR Bangalore. It's a Chroma Bangalore. It's a main customer. Father customer. So this customer. This is 946. Check the address. So Chroma Bangalore only. So now go for salary. All the credit data is already there. Everything is already there. Limit to 50,000. Click on relationship. Again. Now go for relationship category. Go for superordinate. Go for role superordinate. This one superordinate credit account from. So take this one. Then segment. Same segment. Now go for the customer one by one. CR first CR1 and CR2. So again. So CR1 and CR2. So CR1. CR1. Create. Okay, so you created a relation with the 940. He's a child of the parent. 947 is a parent child of 946. If you want to say this one. Okay, you open 947. If you open 947 supplier, customer, 947. You can see the relationship. Go for this one. Take all here. Take all. So you can see he's this account 947 linked to 946. Who is a parent customer? 940 parent customer, 947 the child customer. Okay. So you will again go for for the second customer. Again go for 946. So this is 946. So this is 940. So already we are carrying 947. We'll add one more. So go for so we are already subordinate. Already super subordinate is here. So one more will add now. So again go for 948. So there will be 948. Second customer. That is 942 CR2. 9 this one, this customer. So BB code was 948. Then create. So we made. So what happened? 948. So I don't think we'll say this one. So I'll show it to one customer. Again, you got to find what's the error message there. So we'll limit it to so 940 is the main customer, 940 is sales customer. Okay, so we'll continue this one. I don't know what's our error again. We'll check that. 948. 948. So 948. CR2. So 948. So what's the problem with the customer here? Okay, so I think I did not make here the channel data. So I maintain everything. Everything is there for some credit segment data. Okay, I did not put this one. Credit segment did not make. So this one for second customer. So this also make 20,000. So I'm only 20,000. I can accept this one. 20,000. We'll say this one. Okay. So check it the 947.
But Shekhar, this is a parent, this is a child customer, right?
It's a child. It's a child customer.
For child customers also, we all need to give the credit limit.
Yeah, so individual credit limit as well as the corporate, the group credit limit. Both should be, both can be there.
Okay.
Again 946. We'll take a parent customer again 946. So 946 will go for the relationship. Side we are having 947. So go for this one. Click here. Then so now go for credit segment. So again now it's 948. 948. Create. So create 948. 47 40 child. 946 parent. Save this one. So we make a sales order now. We make a sales order. Or one. So we'll take one customer. We'll take 940. 940 so child parent. We'll take 947. Like 947. He's the one of the child for the parent. So reference I can give. So some reference I can give 2804/2023 and the date you can mention. 27. Testing plant. Then go for import terms. This is actually this person is from Pune. And the payment also mentioned. So we'll take again the same old material. Quantity. So this amount should be exceeding 50,000. What we're going to do, we'll put some amount that is more than the paired credit limit as well as this customer's credit limit. So I'll enter some amount, some 52. That's 52,000. That will exceed the overall limit, the parent child limit as well as the child's limit. So 52. $947. So 947. So that was CR1, 947. CR1. Okay, so it is already there. So I think we had a problem with the partner determination. So we'll go for the FLC. Customer. So already everything is there. So all the details are go for partner function. So that is figure admin sold to party here. Seven.
Checker, I think you need to create the order with that customer number.
Sir, okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
So you are creating with the BP
Yeah,
number.
yeah, correct, yeah. The diet I was instead of just searching, I directly took that one. Okay, so CR1 was actually 39014. Sorry. So that's one. Okay. So then conditions. So 1,000 rupees. That is 50,000. That's exceeding both the supply parent limit as well as individual limit. Say this one. So you can see here for this is the parent customer who is having a 2,000 exceeded. So 50,000 credit limit, 2,000 exceeded because 52,000 is the order value. For 947, 20,000 was the minimum value, sorry, credit limit. So 12,000 more for the 20,000 exceeded by 32,000. So limit to 20,000 exceeded by 32,000. Okay. This one clear now that how the is distributed.
No, actually, why we are maintaining the credit limit for child customer? We supposed to maintain for only parent customer.
So in that is no need to mention, no need to do that. You can skip that step. You can do only for the no need to give the credit limit for the child customer.
Just remove the credit limit for a child customer and save that master
Order,
data and create an order.
Okay.
For 47 customer,
Yeah,
947,
yeah,
just remove that 20,000 credit limit.
Yeah. 947. So here we change the role to UKM. So in the segment data, zone is credit limit. So there's no limit now. So I don't know whether. Okay, then you have to know, you can delete this data and segment, right? Remove this data and segment, delete the data and segment. Okay, so there's no credit, no segment now, not taking that. So what's the problem is, it's showing that limit is, okay, we'll try this one. Okay, we'll go for the VHR one again. CR1. Let us say this one. So because we made that, I'll do one thing, I'll do it one more customer will make, one more customer will make. So because I already maintained that it's not deleting the segment data. So it's taking a zero the credit limit for that customer. So we'll get one more customer. So where you can get the exact question. So both the customer already has a credit segment, will not be able to delete now. So one more customer will make fast. This will change. FL. So what name given? CR3. So next one is FLC. Distribution. Say this one. Then take customer finance. Then company code. Say this one. So UKM should be there because without that, we can't link the parent customer. We maintain UKM also, but we did not put any limit. So profile coming under again same thing. Rule for new customers and validity date. That is class. We'll take this one. Role will be we are taking this one. Credit group. This is optional. This is optional only. So and rating. Okay. We say this one. So here we will not put any limit here. We will not put any limit. But segment you should take the segment. Limit not defined. Say this one. Okay. So now we'll go for 946. Parent customer 946. 946. So here for 946 relationship, take here a segment and 940. So 949. 47, but 949. Credit segment. So 949. Sorry, data. So I think it's asking about that. So it's a limit dot rent. This one limit. Sorry, the data is there. So credit profile. So I think that's a mandatory one. Get maintained for the in 47. Okay, try again. 947, 946, 47, 946. So 946 relationship. So now I'll try again. 949, 949. Create. Now create. So you have to take that option different, but should not put any amount. So 949. Sales, but I don't know that it's taking as the lowest credit limit. We are checking that out. So we'll go for 949. Make a sales for 949. It was CR3. 941 was CR3. CR3. So details. Working or not. Okay, so it is default taking that as an integer limit also should be given there. You know that is asking for that mandatory. That limit is mandatory. Integer limit also mandatory. So overall limit is together for all the child customers. integer limit for with particular branch, you can give integer limit.
Can you please reduce the quantity to 30,000? Reduce the quantity to 30.
Yeah,
place
so
the order.
yeah. So 20 will make that. So we'll limit that. To limit to 20,000 was but we haven't given for this customer. We haven't any limit. So
Just
we'll
give
yeah,
this
yeah,
quantity
yeah,
as a 20. Yeah,
yeah, 30 or 20. Yeah. Sorry, go for save option. So again, showing 30,000. So that's they have made this some limit should be given that for individual customer also that.
So now we can't place the order, right?
Yeah, you can place the order because I given the delivery block, during deliverable block, you release the sales order, I can do it till billing.
No. Can you please show me what is the value, overall value?
What are we have?
Close this pop-up. Go to conditions.
Will be 30,000. Will be 30,000. 30,000.
Here is the 30,000, right? So
Yeah,
I
30,000.
have my credit limit and available limit 50,000. So
50.
system should not ask this pop-up message, right? Why? Because I have my credit limit 50,000 and available limit also 50,000. So I can place the order.
No, I have given 20,000. For this one, I given 20,000. No. Actually, for this customer, see that customer, the limit is 0 now. The limit is 0.
Yeah, for child customer, we will give limit as 0 only, na? We are maintaining at a parent level.
Yeah, that is 0 only. So, but here, but we are making the sales order. The pop message for integer limit also it is asking for that confirmation. So go for save option. It's again asking for that. So it's showing credit 0 exceeded by 30,000.
Then the scenario is not working, na?
No, if you are giving 52, if you are giving that 52 item 52 become 52,000, then both are considered. It is taking the overall limit as well. This for the overall limit for the parent customer and child customer. This limit is exceeded.
No, Shekhar, means the scenario is not working, na, here. If you place a quantity 1 also, it will give this pop-up message only.
Because we haven't given a limit there for the child customer for 949. For 949, so already the limit is 0 limit. If you increase the limit, you can see that. If I increase the limit, then we can see that.
No, why you will increase the limit? Keep it as 50,000 only. We will make less than 50,000 in order, na?
So you can see in that case what is happening for CR3. So limit is 0 is showing that.
Yes, for child customer, we will not maintain any limit.
But once you check this limit defined, for take limit defined, for example, see here. I take a limit not defined, take a limit not defined. Okay, limit not defined and same this one. But if you go for the relationship for 946, so 50,000 this for them, go for relationship. Okay, now fine. Okay, we can try now because actually the last time it was not taking the segment. So say this one, I'll take it 949. So I'll make a sales order now. So I'll close this one. That time it was not accepting that option. was 949 CR3. So check this one first. So we enter 30. So again, it's coming like that only. So it is take integer limit there.
Then what is the use of keeping credit limit at parent level? Is there any meaning? If I will not keep the parent level credit limit, then system will allow, no?
So wait one time, I'll make one more. Okay, 1 minute, I'll check it once more.
I can think, Shekhar, if you go with that customer, the parent one, right?
Yeah.
So what the credit limit you are assigned to the parent and the child as well. So when you create a sales order for child, the parent customer's credit limit also get utilized.
Yeah, that get used to it. But the question here, what is his question is, because the individual limit also is a mandatory entry showing that. That's the problem. So it will work. So what we are telling, that concept is working. But here the question is, why should assign the individual limit? When you are having the total limit, why should assign the individual limit? That's his question. So not, I'll try this one. So go for say options, another customer. So 950. So this one go here. Then go for so maintain all the things. FLC. Not going the limit is not assuming the relationship. That was the problem I'm facing. So, okay, say this one. But that you can code limit also should define here. That's the problem. So if you go for UKM, because again it's camera segment, for example. So so try that one now. That is, we say this one. So we go for relationship. Go for relationship now for the parent customer. That was 946 and 46. So go for so 946. It's a parent customer. You go for relationship, and I had assigned the this one when you take this superordinate. It's asking for the segment. So segment should be maintained. Then it's allowing that. So 950. That was 950. Not accepting. So credit segment not there. So if you try that one, 950, try again 950. Again here. So here he had mentioned that 950. So change the UKM. So this mandatory one, segment is mandatory one. Then credit profile. So I should maintain these details. So here, credit profile rules. So take a new customer. So just to mention this one, go for the segment data. So here you had assigned the segment here. Otherwise, you will not have the relationship. Same segment should be assigned here. And now you go for limit not defined. If you are going limit not defined for the child customer. So once I say this one, it's accepting here. Accepting here. So you got mentioned this also. So say this one. There's no limit for this customer, child customer. Okay, so there's no limit now for this customer. Limit not defined. Limit not defined. Now you go for the parent customer. This so already shown the error is coming. Not valid segment. Go for 946 parent customer. And 50,000 go for relationship. That is 950. So go for here. Go here. So 950 is already there. We'll try to create. Not creating. It is asking that mandatory is integer limit.
Which looks like it's mandatory to have the credit limit for child customer as well.
Child customer. Yeah, that's the thing. So I'll complete this process. I mean, one more time I'll check it and update you. Any new input is coming, I'll just update you. Okay. As of now, we'll try with we'll complete this process. How it is reducing the limit from the parent. We'll check that one. Okay, so we'll do this one. We'll complete on sales order till billing. How it is. So that in that case, it is reducing the limit from the customer parent also. Coming to sales order. That option that I'll check once more.
Yeah, do one thing, Shekhar. You can create a sales order for child which is having the lowest limit like 30,000. Okay.
Yeah,
create the sales order for 30 and then save it, and then after that try to create one more. So then there we can see that how it's work. Right.
So you want to make a sales order for 30 items
for child customer.
For child customer. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Around their limit. Okay. Not exceeding the limit.
Okay. So as of now we have
that 949, no? 949.
949, but we can define limit. I can define the limit there. So go there again. So there's no limit now. We can put some limit there. We have
put up something, right? In 940
no,
or 940?
No, nothing was there. I put 0 there. Not defined, I put that. We'll take 949. Okay, 949 I think it was there. We'll check that 949 was there. Right. 949 is 20,000 I think. So 949 was 0, CR2, CR3, CR3. So 949. So here under here I can put limit. There's no limit. So I'll put 20,000. So okay, shall I put 20,000 there? See 949 limited 20,000. So then sales order. So you want to get a sales order within 20,000, or how you want to test this one? That was year 3. Sorry, we got sales order now. Year 7 for 949. Vinod, how you want to check this one?
Less than 20,000.
Okay.
Just place the order with 10,000.
Okay. We fill all the fields. It was 10 quantity, put 10 quantity, 10,000.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, this one. So not that is not taking that check as income. Biggest 20,000. Yeah. So say this one. So 10,000. So meta sales about 10,000. So now what do you want to do? Like one more sales order?
No, you just check the credit available limit
Okay, in that
for
people
parent
ask.
customer and child customer.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so we'll go for 940. So 163,976. $949. So expense has income. So till when you make the invoice only expense will come. Till invoice make then only the expense will come here. Okay, so we'll come if we complete till invoice.
No, I don't think is it credit exposure will update once sales order will be created. Do you have any control?
No, after invoice only it will come. Yeah. So as of now, after invoice will update the credit exposure here. In that case, we have changed the setting in the IMG somewhere. I think we have take that as. So we'll complete this one. We'll check that option also how to link to our sales order. So we'll complete the invoice. Then we can see the exposure here.
Yes. Can you please create the invoice and the delivery also?
Delivery an invoice. You need delivery invoice. So we'll go for EL 0 the number, so 28. So open here. That's incomplete. Didn't ask for that. Yes. Okay, so go for picking. So location and 10. postcode system. Then VF01. Yes. So enter, enter, again enter. Save this one. Okay, send again, enter again. Okay, so I'll check with the beep master. So I'll just close and open it again. Check with the child customer, that is 314. So 349. That was year 3. So you can see 10,000. Credit expert 10,000. You check the parent customer. We'll check the parent customer. That was 346. 346. 946. 946. So done. So you can see here is also got 10,000 exposure. Is it fine? No? So the only thing is you have to assign the individual limit for the customer also, the individual customer also, and you'll affect the overall credit limit also. We know.
Yes, Shekhar. And here one more question.
Okay.
So here I will maintain a parent credit limit is 50,000.
Yeah.
In individual credit limit, I will maintain 80,000. Is it possible?
That can be also possible. Suppose we take the customer, you can give more than 50,000 also. So we'll take 349, 57 will take.
Can you check now that child customer? What is the credit exposure?
Service saw that, no, it was showing 10,000 exposure. We go for the child customer, that was 314, that's 949. 949. So here it's showing 10,000 for him. Out of 20%, 10,000 is the exposure.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to increase. So I want to increase above 50,000. For individual customer, I want to increase to 60,000. So the overall limit was 50,000. I increase for the individual more than that parallel. So it's requested. It's accepting also. So it can be more than the parent customer also. The limit can be more than the parent customer also. Yes, Vinod. So maybe this is a as procedure. Maybe I'll check once more whether I can get that only the parent limit, not the individual limit. I'll check it out.
Okay, so you got my point, right? We
Yeah,
will
yeah,
maintain only at parent level.
Parent,
Okay, not with the child level. So in parent level, I will maintain as 1 lakh, and in child customer, I will have a 5 child customer 00000 only. So if I make any child customer in order, invoice and delivery of 10,000, it should deduct from the parent customer, not from the child customer. Even if I will not maintain the credit limit at the child level, child customer.
Yeah. As of now, without individual limit, not accepting the relationship. So I'll check it out whether to allow or not. I'll check it out. And
one more thing, Shekhar. So are you maintaining credit limit at BP level or customer level?
It is at the BP level.
Okay. If you are maintaining at a BP level, BP means it's a general for vendor and customer, right?
The customer, yeah.
So if any vendor will create any purchase order, delivery and invoice, will it decrease the credit limit from there?
Please repeat again.
See, you have created, can you please open the Excel sheet?
Okay, here, yeah.
Okay, fine. So you have created 3 child customer and 1 parent customer.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are maintaining the credit limit at BP level.
Yes. No.
can you please open the one customer in the system? 947, 946.
The parent customer.
946, yes.
The parent customer, yeah. No, actually, it's not, sorry, it's not the general, is not BP level. It is at customer, it's a basic customer, not at the BP level.
See, 946 is what? BP or customer?
It's a BP, 940 is BP. So,
okay, fine. Can you please go to customer for this BP?
Customer, okay, so I'll change to FLC. So here, this say SD role.
What is the customer code?
Customer code was
34 something is there, right?
Yeah, so that is 39013.
39013.
Yeah.
So this is the customer. This is the BP.
This is the customer. This is a customer number and this is a BP. This
946 is the BP. So
BP
you
number.
are maintaining credit limit at what level? Means in BP level or in customer level? You are maintaining BP credit limit at BP level. So if BP is common for both vendor and customer, then
correct, yeah.
If I will create a purchase order, delivery and invoice, okay, then the credit limit will decrease from that BP. How?
So okay, so yeah, you are asking, I am getting the point. So BP is having both customer supplier, whereas supplier will also affect the credit limit. You're asking about it. PO, when you make a PO, will it affect the vendor on that credit limit? So I check it out. So I get to make some purchase entries, then I get check it out. So they'll update in the next class. This will update in the next class. So that one. So because I can't do now, we make all the purchase things we can make now. Then we can test this functionality. Okay, Vinod. So I got check with the purchase activities. Then only I can verify this one.
Okay, you got it right. What? What?
I got. Yes, I got.
The main concept of a BP is we will maintain at a common level and it will be used both.
Yeah, customer.
In credit management, how it will affect both in vendor and customer also. So you need to check that one, okay?
Yeah. So
if any configuration is there or not.
Yeah, as of now, I think it's only customer. I'll check it out. I hope it's only customer because we don't have any relationship with the credit with the vendor as of now. Maybe anyway, I'll check it out and update you on this one. So that is the concept. This one we make a sales out. It will affect both. It's affecting the overall credit limit. Okay, so once more I'll update that about the purchase BP. So one more query you are having that BP rule, that credit limit rule. I think the Ashish did ask about that. That three settings we see there now in the credit that was here. So I forgot who asked that one. So this option, different checking rules. So how to configure these three steps? So somebody asked.
Yeah, I have that. Yeah.
Ashish.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll check this one. As of now, so for example, we'll start the dynamic. So once you get the credit that during the sales order, if we put more than the credit limit, we'll take 347. We'll take 347. For 347, I think I maintained 20,000. So I'll take 340. That was CR3. It's not CR2. We'll take CR2. So then that's no document for him. So it's not needed. Go for material. 20,000 limit. So I have 21 items. So this is a message getting I exceeded by 1,000 INR. Credit limit exceeded by 1,000 INR. Okay, so now in the setting here, the setting. So now it is taking the first rule. That's the credit all default all checks act, because the beep master I have taken this only. If you change to this one, so the message should be coming. The credit limit should be based on the so now that's the now the message like this one. So I want to set the credit limit horizon, but the horizon date I want to limit this credit limit. For example, we take dynamic. So based on the horizontal date what you are given, based on that we'll check the credit limit. So this for overall limit for the generally, and we can limit this overall also to document type. So document value. So for the first rule, I can limit the credit limit based on the document value. So if the document value is exceeding 5,000 rupees, we'll go for a credit check. Not at the beep mask credit limit, is based on the document value. This one option. I'll come to second step. First we'll do the dynamic option, then we'll go for the document value. If you take dynamic, then the credit limit will be based on the horizon date. If it goes beyond the horizon date, you'll not have the credit limit. So now, as of now, in this message has no time limit. There's no horizon for that. If you want to maintain horizon, here in the setting, we'll take the third one, dynamic. Go for checks. So this will come. Cannot make anything here. Go for credit segment. Now so this one already I have maintained. If it's not there, you can go for new entries and make a credit segment. So I have given 90 days as a credit horizon. So I'll save this one. Now the beep master for 946. So 947 for 947 for him. We have made the sales order. So 947 here. So under the UKM. So under the here under credit profile. So I'll make here as dynamic. That is dynamic. And then save this one. So now make a sales order for this customer. Make a sales order, one more sales order. So now there's no, in the information you can see there's no horizon mentioned there in the message. For this sales order again. That was 947. So 947, that was here, CR2. Go for material. So 22. So conditions. Let's say this one. Can see. The message didn't come. That was customer.
Sorry, can you change the requested delivery date based on that 90 days you have given, right? Horizon?
Yeah, 90 days, yeah.
So can you change the requested that what you can say? Customer requested date after the horizon.
Okay. So
then in that case, that will not go into the credit block.
So we have a 90 days. So limit is okay. I haven't defined a limit here. And problem was this one, sir. There is no limit for the customer. So 947. Yeah.
Just add 10,000 something like that. Yeah.
This one, yeah. The limit is 20,000. And in the data, the profile data, having the dynamic. I'll go for the sales order again. I'll go open up. Okay. So sales order. So we'll take in. Which accounts for this customer. That was CR3. Let's put some 22. Still not come. So customer was so 16. So, sorry, so it's a wrong customer. That was the wrong customer, not this one. Check for 947. 947, that's having dynamic check, default risk. So 947, the PIP is 947, and segment data can maintain 20,000 fine, so 20,000. Credit card is 90 days, 90 days. So in 90 days there. So I check one thing here. We are taking the horizon date from here. So now the horizon date is not coming. See here, so horizon is not coming. If you take horizon, that option is not coming here. We'll go for the segment data. The horizon will come. So I taken dynamic and the test everything is there. Profile everything is there. Say this one. That was 947. Customer 947. His name is CR1. The name is 940 CR1. So I took the wrong customer in the sales order. 947 CR1. Customer is CR1. To be CR1, not this one. CR1 was this one. So CR1 will be that. So we do from the beginning. So CR1. So you can see the horizon. A message like get in the horizon. The horizon that credit limit is applicable. Okay. So actually this one is okay.
Sorry, credit segment, partner credit. But did you extend that? Sorry, what is the customer requested date there?
I just
They should be out of horizon. So maybe
okay, you want it, okay, you want after 90 days.
Yeah,
okay.
After 90 days.
Okay. So you want the date. So after 90 days, that will be.
Yeah, change the customer date. No, customer requested date.
So this one, yeah. So
requested
yeah,
delivery date. If you see requested delivery date.
Yeah, okay. So we'll change to after 90
Just
days.
change it to the maybe in October.
October is 10. This one 30.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, we'll take October 31st.
Now treatment.
So I'll do it again, close and open it again.
Now go to the double click on line item. Maybe it's the item level did not get changed. Maybe in shipping. The schedule, go to schedule line.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Schedule. It's at least 26. So we'll do it.
Yeah,
Close and open.
change it here. Change
close
it here.
Okay, we'll close and open it.
So change the date here. Okay.
So date will be after in October, October 31st, October 30. That is October 31st.
Now try.
So that option not coming. So if it beyond horizon, there is not.
Yeah.
Limit is not happening.
Okay, so on that, and can you go to that credit segment, please? Again, can we assign that error message or like that there in the credit segment in the config?
Here in the
not here, not here. In the configuration, I'm talking. Okay, check rule, that check rule, yeah. So here, back. Can you back? Check the first one.
Which one? Check rule, huh?
Yeah, in check rule, yeah. Select the first one and the checks. The 01, yeah.
Now we are taking this one. They're taking dynamic, checking dynamic now.
Yeah, but okay, go to that checks again. Select that. How many checks are there? Only horizon. What about that document value?
Yeah,
That
was open item. That is fast one. That's for the large all checks. This one is having that option.
Yeah, select there. So here, in here, right? In ECC, we can assign whether a warning message or error message, right?
Okay, yeah. So here,
how we can do that? The warning or error message.
Okay, so logging, that's only the error messages. We have the option here. No log, only error messages and extensive. So only this option is there. This one is check exception. Yeah, this logging messages.
See, so what I'm seeing that in mostly in the actual business, we are mostly using the dynamic, right? We are giving the horizon as well, and within that dynamic also we have the other controls as well, like my open sales order value, oldest open items, delivery value has to check or not, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So how I can give? So here, if I go with the 03, I can assign one check rule at a time for one customer, right?
Correct. Yeah. The credit segment we
so
can maintain only
if
one.
My requirement is that for that within for that check rule, you should also include the credit horizon, open orders items, oldest open items, open deliveries. All that has to be all the controls for that control for that
for dynamic also for dynamic.
Yeah. How I can add that?
So check we are having, so group is there, then second. So we are not having the option only. This is there.
Can you select the consider credit issue? Something is include additional adjustment. Something is there. Because if you see, we have the currently we have in the same group, right? If I assign one risk category to the customer, when that risk category, I have the horizon, I have that everything, all the setup is there. There should be much possibility here. Can you please check parameter display for check somewhere?
This one. Okay. So go for this one then. So your maintenance system sum is identification only. Get maintenance system number, and for example, go for new entries. You get also system some number. So some number like this one, and take this and go for a logical system. You got to assign the logical system here. So that's
what should be there.
So you got some logical systems like S4 Ghana, like some logical systems are the default. So that I'm not sure which is representing that one.
No, don't think so. Parameter display for checks.
So these are logical system coming in the display option. Suppose you are taking this one. So I'm not sure about this one. For example, we'll just check this one. What are the options? I will check that one. So go for this one and select this display for check. So we got the field group. So this is an LG step. So for example, for this is 037 rule. So this is my field group. So we are having that one here. Sorry.
Okay.
So the thing is that logical system, I'm not sure that which should be assigned to the logical system here. Yes. Okay, so maybe this point also. So you are having the option now. You have the option and the horizon also and the option. Horizon also and the option. Other three options. So the logical should be assigned correctly, then it will work. Because as of now, is error message I'm getting. So for example, let's say, okay, try this one. Then go.
And if I want to add something, can you go to the parameters? You select that and go to the last one, the display.
This one,
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
If I
yeah, so option.
Yeah.
Option,
go to new. Yeah. Go to new entry.
Yeah. New
what
entry.
What are the F4 there? Yeah.
So there are earlier steps. Make a new. You can make a new step here.
Individual 1 minute. Just F4 there. Let me see the options. Static check for credit exposure, check for maximum document value, dynamic check with the credit horizon. Okay, check for maximum level, check for base. So I can add here, right? Means
you can add, yeah, you can add new steps here.
But only thing is that we are not sure about the system group for query and logical system, right?
Logical, yeah. So I confirm. Yeah, okay. So otherwise you can make this one.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that one provide.
Yeah, then document value already saw that. When you take a document, for example, in the overall sec, we are having the document value. So document value is exceeding the credit limit will take place.
Yeah.
So I'll check this one also.
And with the logging, if you go with the error, then it will throw the error only, right? Yeah.
Yes, yeah, it will show the error only. It is only error messages.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Thanks.
Okay, so I'll check once more about this one, how to go. So I can show this also. And two things are there in the BP in the credit limit. One is that whether the BP credit limit affect the supplier credit limit, and what is conversation once more I'll check it and update.